Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to connect your HyperX headset to the Xbox. So as you can see, many people have asked this question as well on the Microsoft and on the Reddit as well. So let's go through this process of how we can do it. And here is the an official answer. Hello, this is the person who have answered. The HyperX Cloud 3 headset cannot be used wirelessly with the USB dongle with the Xbox Series X. If you wish to use your headset with the console, you will need to use 3.5 mm jack plug. So as you can see, they have answered the honest answer that you will not be able to use it wirelessly. So you just need a 3.5 mm jack. You can just plug it and use it. And if you go through this, as you can see here as well, to connect a HyperX headset to your Xbox, you will need a 3.5 mm jack plug if your headset does not have a wireless dongle, or use the wireless dongle if it's compatible. So here is the complete process. Connect the headset, simply plug the jack, adjust audio setting, and if your hyper headset uses a wireless dongle, you can try this process like cloud extinguisher core. So that is a complete and simple answer of how you can connect your HyperX Cloud to your headset. So just buy this 3.5 mm jack plug, and after that you will be able to do it.